Hey Coe-Brown, welcome back to yet another episode of Enigmas of Coe-Brown. On this week's episode, we are going to check out one of the pretty phenomenal things about this school. Did you know we currently hold the world record for the world's squeakiest door? Let's check it out. This is it. This is the door. Pretty creaky, right? Join us next week on Enigmas of Coe-Brown as we explore another mysterious door, the door that leads to our underground aquatic and swimming facilities, complete with an Olympic-sized swimming pool. All right, thanks for watching. See you again later.